Ethan? Cheese. Ethan, are we going to Doggus today?
Stay home.
Why do you want to stay home? Ethan, are you going to make Hudson laugh all day? Ethan, do you want to go to Doggus?
Stay home.
But why do you want to stay home?
Tita. Three. Hudson.
What's that? What color is that, Ethan? Green. Okay, bye-bye.